In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add users to your Google Analytics account, either across the entire account or for a specific property. Start by opening Google Analytics and signing in. Then, in the bottom left corner, click the admin gear icon to open your account and property settings. From here, decide what level of access you want to give. Choose Account Access Management if this person should be able to access everything under the Google Analytics account, or choose Property Access Management if you only want them to access one specific property. Once you're in the Access Management area, click the blue plus icon in the top right corner, then select Add Users. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now type the user's Google email address into the email field. Make sure the address is correct, since this is where Google Analytics will send their invitation. Leave Notify New Users by email checked if you want them to receive an email invite automatically. Then select the role that matches what they need to do. You can choose Viewer for read-only access, Analyst or Marketer for reporting-related work, Editor to make changes, or Administrator for full access. When you've selected the right permissions, click Add in the top right corner to send the invitation. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to your Google Analytics account.